Welcome back to another video. Today we shall discuss about the impressive health benefits of cocoa powder. Let's get started. You may have seen cacao powder as well as cocoa powder in the supermarket aisles and wondered about the difference. Cacao powder refers to the product made from beans that have not been roasted, and contain a higher number of antioxidants as compared to cocoa powder. Commercially available chocolates and cocoa products may not be rich in the original beneficial flavonols of cacao beans, since they can be destroyed by overprocessing. In this article, we look at some health benefits of dry, unsweetened cocoa powder. Number 1. May lower high blood pressure. Researchers found that consuming cocoa-containing foods can help lower blood pressure levels. These favorable changes are attributed to the presence of antioxidants in it that can stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which helps keep blood vessels relaxed. Number 2. Potential antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants may help neutralize the oxygen-based free radicals that are present in the body. Cocoa powder is also possibly abundant in phenolic phytochemicals and flavonoids. Number 3. May improve brain health. Cocoa contain a possibly high amount of flavonoids. Findings have advocated that the consumption of cocoa-based products may enhance the flow of blood to the brain. And they have provided evidence of the therapeutic potential for curing vascular disorders. Number 4. May lower risk of heart attacks and stroke. Cocoa powder is rich in flavonoids that can help in protecting the cells from damage, while strengthening the heart and may prevent the formation of fatal blood clots, which can lead to stroke or cardiac failure. Number 5. May balance cholesterol levels. It can help reduce triglycerides and LDL, bad, cholesterol levels in the body, and may give a noteworthy rise to HDL, good, cholesterol levels in the body. Number 6. May regulate blood sugar levels. Consumption of cocoa powder may be effective in improving insulin resistance and glucose metabolism. These mechanisms, in turn, may aid in regulating sugar levels in the body. Uses of cocoa. Cocoa powder. You get two varieties of unsweetened cocoa powder, Dutch processed and natural. Both kinds are used in baking and cooking. Its most well-known use is to make chocolate, cakes, and a beverage called cocoa or hot chocolate. Cocoa butter is also used in soaps and cosmetic products due to its moisture-rising properties. Cocoa liquor. It is used, with other ingredients, to produce chocolate. In addition to cacao beans, the therapeutic utilization of cacao bark, butter, and flowers have also been valued since ancient times for treating various diseases like skin ailments, bowel malfunction, and wounds. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.